starting guesses. I only remember one time, maybe early in the year. It was the day before the All-Star break, and that's why, because we were off. It was the day before the All-Star break, Sunday Night Baseball. That was it. Edwin called out on strikes in the third, struck out swinging in the fifth.
All right, welcome in, everybody. We got the MLB 9-box mixer tonight, and then our last case of contenders. Jake R, what's up, brother? I officially suck at FanDuel. How do I start my night off with a Francisco Lindor home run? I'm thinking tonight is going to be great. There he is. Me and D-Long absolutely suck. We suck. Mookie Betts, 60 points today. Guess what? I don't have Mookie Betts in one lineup. I got 7 lineups now. Mookie Betts in one. Oh, screw me. Dan Rosenberg, what's going on, brother? Bob Heener, how are you doing? Bob Heener, I don't know where you live in Florida. I don't know if it's north or south, but hopefully you are safe. I know you live in Florida, so hopefully the hurricane did not hit you too hard, man. We're going to get started here in a couple minutes. Give me 1 second here. Let me... Where the hell did I put my post? Give me 1 second, guys. Somebody commented on a post, and I don't know what the hell I did with it. Am I losing my shit or what? Alright. I don't know. I know, Eduardo Rodriguez is throwing great. It's Ben Gamble hits a 3-run shot. It's so hard. There's nothing harder than picking the perfect lineup in FanDuel. There's nothing. I mean, I think the lottery's easier. It's all luck. You know what? There's no skill behind it. There really is no skill behind it. Come on. Who picks Ben Gamble, Mookie Betts, Dylan Bundy, JT Realmuto in the same lineup? Come on. Ozzie Albies. Freddie Freeman goes off on Gio Gonzalez. Both are lefties. You know what? Just screw it. Anyhow, let me stop. Let's get into it, guys. Dan Rosenberg's bowling. That's wonderful. I suck at that, too. All right, here we go. Good luck, everybody. Let's get right into the random for you. Dice roll, we're going to go 4 times. They're not real woods in the back. It's just a picture, just letting you know. 4 times, guys. 1, 2, 3, and 4. We do have some combo teams: Marlins, Rays, and D-backs and Twins. 4 times. 1, 2, 3, and 4. Dan Rosenberg with the Royals, and Bob Heener continues with his hot streak tonight. Yankees. Bob Heener with the Brewers, Jams with the Indians, Jeff Spenner with the Cardinals, Will S with the Pirates, Joey S with the Rangers, Don W with the Marlins/Rays, Will S with the Nationals, Bradley F with the Cubs, Mike H with the Giants, Dwayne V with the Red Sox, James B with the Mets, Jams with the Reds, Josh V with the Angels, Bob H with the Astros, Murph with the Orioles, Brett K with the Rockies, David K with the Padres, Jake R with the Jays, Bo Bon R with the Mariners, Susan L with the D-backs/Twins, Timothy H with the Braves, Jake R with the A's, Jams with the Dodgers, Jams with the Tigers, Nicholas Mole with the Phillies, and Will S with the Chicago White Sox. So there are our teams, guys. If anyone is just coming in, please look at the list. Bob Heener, you got the Astros and the Yankees. I mean, you are just as lucky as they come. Well, I used to not be able to play FanDuel. They banned it. I wish they would ban it again. I wish they would ban it again because I suck. I mean, some nights I do great, but more than most, I suck. All right, everybody, let's get started. Here we go. Allen and Ginter, pass fishing. Oh, God. I wouldn't even know where to start. Here we go. Topps, Allen, and Ginter. We didn't do any of this year. This is the first box of this product that we are actually opening. All right, we got one oversized box loader card inside, it says. Wonderful. I love these cards. They're a pain in the ass to ship. Well, it is a good player. We're going to have a Mike Trout for the Angels. Mike Trout, good start. Los Angeles Angels. Nice Mike Trout box topper. So whoever has got the Angels, good start for them. Hopefully this is a good sign for the mixer. Bass Cat is in the house. What's up, brother? All right, here we go, guys. We're going to start off with a David Dahl shitty mini for the Colorado Rockies. I hate Ginter, guys. I absolutely hate Ginter. You don't even know. But look at that. We're bass fishing, baby. Trout and flies. Trout and flies. What a card right there. Look at that spinner bait. Huh. Man, what a card. And we got a Magician and Illusionist. Pamela Goldman-Smith. You know what? I'm going through the minis, guys. The minis are absolute dog shit. I could care less. All right, you got a Clayton Kershaw mini in there. Fell out because they suck.
5 full counts for Clover tonight. John started to get into it. 24,654.
Vincent Velasquez mini.
Starting your runner in this situation because Clover is swinging.
Oh, James. Why are you late tonight, James? Unbelievable.
They've done nothing in the last couple of days. You got to try something.
All right, we do got an Aaron Judge rookie mini, so that's a decent one at least. Going to Bob Heener. James, you have the Indians. You have the Dodgers, Tigers, and Cincinnati Reds. So, Dodgers, good team. Look, Bass Cat even knew who you had. Oh, shit, we got Harriet Tubman, baby. There's a 1 out of 1. Topps, Allen, and Ginter. They just put everything in here. You never know what you're going to get. Look, we got the Great Wharf. Where are you going, James? Where's your big trip to? It is garbage, man. If we get a rip card, though, rip cards are good. You never know. All right, got an autograph coming up, and it's a good one. Chris Sale for the Boston Red Sox. We'll take it. Nice Chris Sale, one of the best pitchers in the game. Good start for the mixer tonight, ladies and gents. Very nice Chris Sale. Nice. That's cool, James. I'm sure you'll enjoy that. Being a big Cardinals fan. They're having a good night tonight, I'll tell you that. All right, we got a rediscover Topps. Mike Morgan. One of the least favorite pitchers of all time. Kluber is a stud. Kluber is the best in the game right now, by far. Kershaw got nothing on him. Kluber is the shit. We got a Jack Clark rediscover for the Giants. One second, guys.
When you try to quit smoking, with or without Chantix, you may have nicotine withdrawal symptoms. Some people have changes in behavior or thinking, aggression, hostility, agitation, depressed mood, or suicide.
Bruce talking shit on fantasy. Who the hell's Bruce? You're missing all the SPs. Here we go. Washington Nationals. Bryce Harper. Bryce Harper, base relic. So a Harper and a Sale so far. Not bad. You had the Cubs, Bradley. Believe it or not, you got the Chicago Cubs.
Ask your doctor if Chantix is
Liam,
insurance plans.
Never opened this shit, so I don't know what the short prints look like. I'm just shipping all the cards, so.
So you've got two friends here. Yes. This is the J.D. Hour Award for dependability.
Oh boy, my wife just texted me. We got a rediscovered Jim Acker. My wife just texted me and said this mother effer is always asking questions. Let's see here. This class is annoying as fuck, she says. You gotta watch her. She gets out of control sometimes. Wow, really? Really, guys? Really? The guy that started MySpace, Tom Anderson? Are you kidding me? Oh, my Lord. Tom Anderson from MySpace. Wow, they really put anybody in this product. This is horrific. Now I know why I don't open this dog shit. Oh my God. How horrific is that? We've literally went by 3 fish, too. Throw this out. It deserves. And we're going to have a Adrian Gonzalez base relic for the Dodgers. There you go, Jams. What the fuck? What? Oh my God, we got a freaking panda bear eating bamboo. I mean, what the hell else are we gonna pull? Oh my Lord. Let's see what else we got in here. Don't worry, something's coming up. Here we go. We got Gary Stevens, the horse guy. Oh man, this is terrible. Yeah, Bob Heener, you're probably right. Uh-oh. Wow, look at this. Look at that. What the f... We got Leo. Can you see it? Leo. We got Leo, baby. There we... What kind of shit is this? This is terrible. That's probably... That card might sell for some money. Who knows? Some space freak might actually pay for that. You can't even see the card. Oh, it's terrible. All right, we got a Gary Sanchez. Different design there. I don't know if that means anything. And a Tom Browning. Rediscover tops for the Cincinnati Reds. All right. Thank God. That's an ultra rare. Are you serious? It's not a 1 out of 1, I can tell you that. Super stupid. Super stupid, guys. Wow. Wow, wow, wow. All right. Well, thank God we're done with that. Here we go. Topps Finest. Thank God the stars, Harriet Tubman, and the fish, and everything else, and the great panda bear. Bob Heener, I was going to say that, but I can't pronounce the word. I'm a little slow. Constellation? Is it Constellation? I didn't want to say it wrong and then get clowned by D-Long. All right, we got a Wilson Contreras. This is Topps Finest, guys, if you did not know. We're going to have a refractor, Gregory Polanco for the Pirates. Well, I'm always drunk. I mean, that's an understatement there. All right, we got a Mike Trout breakthrough for the Angels and Orlando Arcia. Finest first. Steven Piscotty breakthrough. Yeah, screw you, D-Long. Eat shit. You know, eat shit. Let me move these cards here, guys. So, I can't speak, guys. I can't speak. It's just, you know, it's how it is. All right, we got a Ryan Healy, rookie auto. Oakland Athletics with their first hit of the night. Giants can be good. Giants usually got some decent stuff. Number 99, Ryan Braun. Green refractor for the Brewers. In the high-end products, you know, you can pull a lot of these products. You can pull Buster Posey. They don't have many rookie stuff, but... Alright, we're going to have a Nolan Arenado breakthrough and Giancarlo Stanton. Purple refractor. Number 250 for the Marlins. Bunch of the glow-in-the-darks on eBay. 99 cents. Nice. Alright, we got a Chris Bryant and number 25. Orange. 10 of 25. Greg Maddux for the Atlanta Braves. Finest insert. Orange refractor. A nice low number there. Twins and Diamondbacks. I know, Susan. I know. Not good. Not good. Twins are decent. Never know. Alright, we got a breakthrough Trevor Story. He broke through and, well, never did anything with it. Oh, we got an orange auto coming up. Come on, be somebody good, ladies and gentlemen. Number 25. And it's not autographed. Jonathan Villar. Number 25, orange refractor. The second orange refractor in this box. They're not bad. Maybe the autograph will be orange as well. Sorry, I thought it was going to be autographed. Unfortunately, no. And our autograph's going to be a green. The goggle fucker. Jesus, Cody Reed. Excuse my language. I hate this guy. I hate this guy. Cody Reed green. Number 99, Cincinnati Reds. Jams. Bum, bum, bum. Shitty box of Topps finest. Goggle boy. Good old Goggle boy. Don't I not miss him. All right, here we go. Gypsy Queen. Gypsy Queen, another shit-stained product. You never know. This got some good stuff in here. We're going to have another box topper. Another box topper coming up. And it's going to be the Chicago Cubs. Bradley Fear. Anthony Rizzo. Anthony Rizzo. All right, we're going to have a sketchwork Chris Bryant for the Chicago Cubs. All right, we got a sketchwork Adam Jones for the Orioles. Yep, there are SPs in this. D-Lo, I forget, man. Got a sketchwork Xander Bogaerts for the Red Sox. Box topper. What box topper did you get? Can't remember. Fortune teller Yoan Moncada for the White Sox. Some of the products Topps put out, I'm not a big fan of Gypsy Queen and Heritage and all that shit. Andy Van Slyke, oh god. All right, we got a Francisco Lindor, number 50. Nice parallel for the Cleveland Indians. Going to have a Hunter Dozier parallel for the Kansas City Royals. Let's hope we can at least pull one nice autograph out of this product. Would be nice. Adubel Herrera having a nice night for the Phillies. Against the Phillies. For the Phillies. Come on, baby. Come on. We're going to have a David Price, number 250, purple for the Boston Red Sox. I need Buster Posey to hit a home run tonight. Wow. We got a black and white parallel. I don't know if that's good, but Carlos Rodon. Chicago White Sox redemption. Almost went right through, right past it. Gypsy Queen autograph, black and white parallel. Carlos Rodon. So I want to say they are numbered to 99, but I could be wrong. Does anyone know what black and whites are number 2? Could be a 1 out of 1. You never know. Fortune teller Adrian Gonzalez. Excuse me. Number to 50. Thank you, Liam. Liam is a Gypsy Queen expert. Gypsy Queen expert. Dylan Peters actually didn't throw that bad. He walked a bunch of people, but he only gave up 2 earned runs, so better than nothing, I guess. All right, we're going to have a Ken Griffey Jr., Seattle Mariners. Kluber going for the complete game tonight. All right, we got Chris Bryant, fortune teller. A good time to be an Indians fan, I can tell you that. All right, here's a short print. No name of Kenley Jansen. We got one more auto coming up, guys. One more auto coming up. Got a fortune teller, Adrian Beltre for the Rangers. And wow. Just wow. Are you kidding me? Are you kidding me? Nathan Eovaldi. Wow. Wow. Nathan Eovaldi. Are you kidding me? He's... never mind. Nathan Eovaldi. There you go. New York Yankees. Congrats. Huge hit there. Wow. Why in 2017 is Nathan Eovaldi in anything? And we got a Nick Markakis, number to 250 for the Braves. Oh, my. Nathan Eovaldi probably will never pitch again in the MLB. That's terrible. All right, quick box here. Clearly authentic. Clearly authentic. And number to 25. At least it is a blue parallel. Jacoby Jones. Detroit Tigers, 2 out of 25. Blue parallel autograph of Jacoby Jones. So we'll take that. Not terrible. Inception. Another quick product. All the base products are out. All the high-end stuff now, ladies and gents. All right, we're going to have a Kenta Maeda for the Dodgers. Xander Bogaerts for the Red Sox. Twins, Byron Buxton. We got a Joey Votto. Number to 75, the guy that's pissing me off today, Mookie Betts. Michael Fulmer for the Tigers. And number to 199, nice hit, Alex Bregman. Rookie auto, Houston Astros. Alex Bregman, nice hit right there for the Astros. Very nice. So we will take that. Boom, Alex Presley with a double, Dino. Got him in every lineup tonight. Nice. So nice Bregman. All right, tier 1, guys. Tier 1. Not very thick, so no bat knobs or anything coming up, I can tell you that. All right, number to 331. Number to 331, we're going to have a Addison Russell for the Chicago Cubs. Got a patch auto, number to 75, Alex Reyes, St. Louis Cardinals. And number to 171, Ender Inciarte for the Atlanta Braves. Shitty tier 1. All right, next up we got Tribute. So the next 3 products are going to be our best, guys. Immaculate, Tribute, and Museum. These are the ones. These are the good ones. These are where the good hits are going to come. All right, we got a Sparky Anderson, Detroit Tigers. And rookie auto, number to 199, Ryan Healy. Ryan Healy for the Oakland Athletics. And number to 10, nice Mookie Betts, Boston Red Sox. Red parallel of Mookie Betts. Very nice parallel right there for Boston. All right, we got a Max Scherzer for the Nationals. Next up, number to 99, Juan Gonzalez, Texas Rangers. Autograph. And we're going to have a Gary Carter for the Expos. All right, we got Carl Yastrzemski. Carl Yastrzemski. Next up, we got Shit Stain, number to 199, Jordan Zimmerman for the Detroit Tigers. And Corey Seager for the Dodgers. Next up, Babe Ruth. Nice base for the Yankees. We're going to have a Manny Machado, number to 99, green parallel for the Baltimore Orioles. And Aleminis Diaz for the Cardinals. Yeah, Giants have been MIA, Haas. All right, Julius Familia. Uh-oh, we got a nice hit coming up, guys. Nice hit coming up. Wow, 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 wow. New York Mets. Number 210, red parallel, Mike Piazza. Real nice hit there for the New York Mets, Mike Piazza. Number 210, beautiful hit. Very nice. And we're going to have a Big Papi for the Boston Red Sox. So who's got the Mets tonight? New York Mets are going to James Brown. Oh, Steve, I know, man. I know. I've seen it. Xander Bogaerts for the Red Sox. New York Yankees, number to 50, Dylan Betances. Base relic. And a Jose Altuve. He sent me a Snapchat earlier, Hop. It was disturbing. I couldn't even watch it. It was absolutely disturbing. It was him dressed up as a girl. It was bad. I think Peach is going down the wrong path. Just saying. All right, this feels pretty thick, guys. This feels pretty thick here. I don't know. Ship them away. We got a pretty thick card here, I can tell you that. Number to 150, Randy Johnson for the Mariners. Max Scherzer for the Nationals. We got Uleski Gurriel for the Astros. Ryan Braun, and this is pretty thick. 20 out of 25, laundry tag patch. It is the barcode to his jersey of Dylan Betances. Dylan Betances, number to 25, laundry tag. That is the price barcode. So if you want to buy a Dylan Betances jersey, there you go. Just scan that and you might buy one. Oh, wow. Here, lock him in the tanning booth. I think he is, Hop. I think he is. I'm thinking he's getting jammed. Just saying. Just saying. All right, we're going to have a Julio Urias for the Dodgers. Addison Russell for the Cubs. Adrian Beltre. We got a Randy Johnson and number to 35, two-color patch, Adam Jones for the Baltimore Orioles. All right, so our autographs are coming up here. All right, number 99, Cincinnati Reds, Johnny Bench. We got a George Brett for the Kansas City Royals. Mookie Betts all over the place tonight. Alex Bregman, and this guy just haunts us, guys. Number to 199, Alex Reyes, dual relic autograph for the St. Louis Cardinals. He haunts us everywhere. I mean, literally every single baseball break you do, Alex Reyes has to be there. Shams knows the feeling. It's terrible. Alright, guys, here we go. Our last pack. Andrew Benintendi for the Boston Red Sox. Jackie Robinson for the Dodgers. We have Troy Tulowitzki for the Blue Jays. Yankees. Roger Maris. Sketch card. And 23 out of 50. Texas Rangers. Nomar Mazara. Autograph. So the Rangers with a Gonzalez and a Mazara tonight. Not bad for them. All right, last box of the night, guys. Last box of the night. It's been a mediocre mixer at best. Not a lot of top hits. Lots of fishing and bullshit. All right, here we go. Good luck, everybody. And it's going to be a shitty box here. Number to 99, Freddie Freeman for the Braves. Number to 99, Jumbo Relic of Jose De Leon. Tampa Bay Rays. 1 of 25, Stan Musial. Stan Musial for the Cardinals. Yes, we do have skunk protection here. Well, your skunk protection just went out the window. Miguel Sano. You're about to hit 2 nice cards here. Miguel Sano, Susan. Number to 49, really nice looking patch on this. Braden Shipley, RPA, Arizona Diamondbacks. There you go, Susan. You got 2 hits back-to-back there. And number to 99, dual relic or dual patch autograph, Hunter Renfroe for the San Diego Padres. So that is going to do it, guys. Pretty shitty mixer tonight. Not great. Our baseball breaks have been hot. Tonight, not so much. Thank you guys for joining, though. I do appreciate it. Contenders basketball coming up in 2 minutes, guys. I will see you then. Have a good night, everybody. Appreciate it. Later.